Hey guys, this 8-room colonial brings us right into Old Bridge. 4 bedrooms, 2 full baths, a half bath. I'll do a quick walkthrough here for you. And like usual, you have any questions or anything, just shoot me a text, call me. All the contact information and information about the property is in the description box. Does have a full basement, unfinished. Heated saltwater pool. All right, let's take it upstairs. All right, guys, that wraps things up here. Need more info, like to see it, shoot me a text, call me. Till next time, have a good one.